Hello, I am so excited. I'm so excited you don't want to know. I'm so excited my Osee Gostream is here. The things I've read about this thing, the things I've seen about these things on YouTube, they just tell me that this is a beast. This is something you want to use for your production, live stream, when you're doing church production, recording and everything. This is a go for. Now, I was using this A10 Mini Pro ISO. I got this like I think immediately after the lockdown, and I've been using. Actually, this is good. It's a good product. Let's be sincere. Blackmagic, you did well after the lockdown. This is a good product. Now I began to have challenges when I needed to test audio because it has two mic inputs. I don't know why they didn't make it one, so that one could be from headphone or earphone. So I could not test audio with this directly from this. Now it has only one HDMI output, and so it was either you're using it for program output or multi-view output. And sometimes we producers, we want directors and everything, we want to see the multi-view so that we know what now becomes the program view. So we could not do that, so you had to choose one. And if you're doing the live production where you needed to project to a screen, to a monitor for an event, a reception or something, that was a challenge because the HDMI output was either for multi-view or for program. So that was a challenge. And also the USB out was either using it as a webcam to feed your system, or alternatively you're using it to record to a disk SSD precisely. Now that was also a challenge because if I was recording from this directly, that means I could not use it as a webcam to my system for vMix or any other software, OBS and the rest. So it became a challenge. And I thought to myself, I said, technology has improved. That was like December last year, 2023. I said, the technology has improved. There has to be a way. There must be a way. So I started to do my research. I went online. I went to YouTube. I read up mixer that I could record directly into. And voila! Osee Gostream came on. So I think this thing just came out last year, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe not 6 months ago. So I said, okay, let me give it a try. I went online. I saw the prices on Amazon. I saw the prices on AliExpress. And guess what? AliExpress was doing free shipping. That was then. And it was like, I think 30% discount if you're using GTB MasterCard. And voila, I have the MasterCard and it was 30% discount. So I got it for a little bit less than what you'll be getting it now. I went online and the free shipping is gone and the 30% from GTB is gone. So let's unbox this. Too much of talking. I've not used it before, like you can see. This is the first time I'm really getting close to it. And AliExpress, I must give you your credit. It came pretty fast. Pretty fast. I ordered it and it came like whap. I don't know how fast. I would have checked to put it in the video, but it came faster than you said. And so let's do the unboxing and see what is inside. I'm unwrapping it. And this thing, like they said, okay, let's just unbox. Too much seeing is believing, they say. So I have to trash this. And let me keep this aside. Man. Okay. All right. So let's see. Osee Gostream Deck. Wow. Okay, what's this? It says tip. Let me read it. Sorry. Download the latest firmware for a better user experience, and says that. So you have to get the latest firmware. I read about this earlier. Okay, the unboxing is going on. Let's see what we have here. Sorry, I have to be careful. Okay, a lot of cards. The cat saying, hello from Osee. I am Osee, your best video assistant. I don't doubt it. I think, now this is me talking. I think Osee, what you did, you took Blackmagic, the errors that people have, the errors in Blackmagic, I don't want to call it errors. What people complained about Blackmagic, you just modelized it and added it to this Gostream. I think that's what you did. So now there is this is the Gostream. I think it's about the same size with this. Let me see. Maybe Gostream is a little bit longer, as you can see. Gostream is a little bit longer, and Gostream is slimmer. Is it? But same height, but definitely not same length. You can see. So this is Gostream here, and this is Blackmagic A10 ISO. So Gostream is a little bit longer, and they both have vent where air can enter. So now this is what I saw that I went for this. The card to record. this just captivates me. That I could put a card, SD card, I think up to 128 gig, and I could record my production into it. So while I'm recording, now I told you my challenge with Atem Mini was that while I was recording on Atem Mini, I could not feed my system so that the mixer was not being seen as a webcam or something. Now while you are recording into this SD card here, 128 gig, 64 gig, whatever your SD card is, there is output here. Now it has output 1, this is what we're talking about. Output 2, now it has USB port 1, USB port 2, and a USB port 1 can be used to feed your system, your vMix, your OBS, or whatever software you're using for your production. And it has, okay, there's the power. Now it has, you see, it has a port for your headphone, I think 3.5 jack. It has port for headphone, and it has mic 1 and 2. So you can be having your input, and you can also test your audio. This was what I wanted. Those were the challenges I was having, like I said, to record on the same mixer, to test my audio, and to have multiple output, one as multi-view and one as program. And this has come to solve that. Is that not good? Now, what else do we have here? We have the manual. Okay. What else do we have here? I guess this should be the power, because I've not seen the power. I think the carton is getting empty. And then we have I was right, and I'm still right. The power for all kinds of country ports. Okay, I think this is it US ports or what? Which country has this? Well, I can't really say right now. Okay, I'm in Nigeria, so I'll find an adapter for this. It's going to work in my country. So this is the port, and it has on and off button. Now for this, I'm not trying to do a comparison because this still serves me. It depends on my production. For this, you just put the power, pop, and it comes on. And if the power is so strong, if it's not what you want, you might not like it. So there should be a port to off and on. Though I got an adapter though from Amazon where I could switch off and switch on. But the one that comes with it, no on and off. But with this, there's the power button to switch it off and to switch it on. I've not really tested it. Like you see, I'm just unboxing this. So I'll do a next video to tell you my experience on it, go through the menu and all that. But this is what you get inside the carton of an Osee Gostream Deck, and I pray it serves me as it says. I know it will. Surely it will serve me. Thank you, Osee Gostream, and I'll see you on the other side when I start using this.